Hey guys, I'm going to, in this video, go over Ember classes. Ember gives you facility to do some things you'd expect. Let's just create an animal class that extends from object, and we'll say that each animal has a type. We haven't set this. We'll save that for the derived types. And then we'll just say somehow they can speak. And maybe we'll give this base animal a default implementation, and it'll return erg, because we don't really know what a generic animal is going to do. So now let's go ahead and copy this and create a dog. And this guy is going to extend from app animal, and his type will be, you guessed it, dog, and he will say woof. And then we'll do, I bet you can guess in advance what I'm going to do next, a cat. It's also going to extend from animal, and it will say meow. So we have a cat and a dog. Those are derived from animal. Let's create an instance. So we'll create a dog, and we'll simply just do equals app dog create, and we'll create a cat, and then I'll do app cat create. And we'll have the dog speak and the cat speak. Pretty straightforward stuff. Nothing too unpredictable that should happen here, although nothing's going to happen because I'm not logging it out or alerting it. So let's throw those in alerts. And I think that should give us a woof and a meow. Let's see. Sure enough, I'll make this a little bigger. We have a woof and a meow. So what if this base functionality was really important? Let's have it say something like, I'm an animal. I'm a type of animal. I'm a type of animal. So you just have to use your imagination that that was something useful that we needed from the base class. And what we could do is say var parent message equals this dot underscore super, and that's going to stuff I'm a type of animal into parent message, and we can just append that here plus, and we'll put a little space, and we'll do the same thing for the cat. Just have to change this to meow, and let's rerun our program here. I'm a type of animal, wolf. Guess we should maybe put a period here, although you get the idea. All right, so the other thing that's interesting besides overriding methods, that's what we did here with the speak method. The parent class animal was overridden by the dog and cat classes for the method speak. We can also initialize our objects. So if you're used to more traditional languages where there's a constructor, you're probably used to passing in parameters. Well, for Ember, when you do create, you can create these guys in the object literal that you pass in. It'll make more sense when I show you the example. So let's just say that that type got set when we created these objects. So let's just echo out this .get type. So right now it's null by default, but let's just presume that that's set. So now if we do pass these in for these instances, they will actually overwrite these types. So let's actually do that. So let's say dog canine. I don't know if I'm spelling that correctly. Sorry, you didn't hire me for the spelling. And then we'll just say for this one, oops, we got to say type. And then for this one, we'll say type is kitty. And so we're going to expect that this init up here, let me come up here. This guy here, we expect to run before speak, right? Because that's initializing our object. So even though we're creating dogs and cats, this init will run since it's the parent class. So let's reload this and see what happens. Yeah, so there we go. The type is now canine and kitty. If we do another dog and we don't pass anything in, the type will be dog. We'll say dog 2. And we don't need to have it speak. So there we go. So let's just go and review what we did. First we got a canine and a dog. So let's go up here and look at the code. First we instantiate a dog and we pass in type is canine, and then we don't pass anything in. So that goes to the default type, which is dog. Now you may be confused because type is null up here. Stick this up here. So for the animal, the type is null. But remember, we're instantiating a dog, so the type will be set to dog by default.